Hi, this is Yvette. I have a mini album here that I made. This is a all occasional 2 and it's using Paper Phenomenon's Kathy King's tutorial. I made this for a special coworker and it's using a very old paper collection. It's C'est la Vie from Beau Bunny, and it is a 2013 paper collection. I've been hoarding this paper collection, but this is a special friend, so I pulled it out and I made this photo album for her. This is a sticker sheet that I'll send with the photo album. She is a scrapbooker, so I'll send these extras and she can finish it up when she has time. The photo album itself, like I said, it's an all occasional 2. It measures roughly about 8 inches this way. It's about 3.5 inches in a spine, and it's 10.5 this way. It's a very, very nice photo album. Again, it's all occasional 2. And paper collection is Beau Bunny, C'est la Vie, and it's a 2013 paper collection. This is the front, this is the side, and this is the back. And I will start with the inside. This photo album has lots of belly bands. So there's a belly band right off the hop in the cover. And then I made a 6x6 here with the paper cut from the collection. I made an insert for the front. And these are all 4x6 photos. And that's the back. And I'll just leave that on the side. And we start here with 2 4x6s, same here. And there's belly bands here. And this is a cutout from the Noteworthy set. And then here's the belly band, pocket. And then there's some 3x4 cutouts. There wasn't very many, and so I just used the ones that I have. And she can put photos in the back, even though I don't have any. This photo album, I have 86 spots for photos. And here's a photo mat here. And then I just backed it with some paper. We have a faux envelope here with some baker twine, and I used some clear acetate to reinforce those. And then we have another belly band here, and so 3, and then these are 4x4s. And then I just threw in some tags that I had, and then I did use a little bit of the 4x6s that came with the paper collection. Here we have 4x6 in the portrait style, added some stickers, and then this is the other insert, and that's the back of that one. And then we have another faux envelope here. Love these bright colors. Vintage and bright. Another tag from 7 Gypsies. These are very old too. I've had them for a while. A 4x6, and then here's another photo insert. And then again, there's room in the back for more photos. And then there's 2 flaps on that side. And then we go back to this flip here with some 4x6s, another 7 Gypsies tags, and then another 4x6 photo mat, and then another 4x4. And there's still room to add more if she wants to add more. And then there's another photo insert here that holds, they're not quite 4x6s, but almost. And here we have a centerfold is what she calls it. And then I have some more of the cutouts from the Worthy Notes. And then then this one has 2 4x6s here, and then this large insert here, and the same thing on this side. And again, she can put more photos on the back, but that's what it looks like. It's a nice centerfold. And then those just go back in there. We'll do it here, and then here. And then we'll put those back there. So then we go to this side, and we have the belly band on this side with the 2 inserts, and then there's the back. I've added a garment tag here, and then some photo mats here, and then that's what it looks like matted, and then I have one on the side. So you can do either portrait or landscape on those photo mats. Very interactive mini album. It's the first time I make this one. It's very fun. In here we have some belly bands, and I just added some shipping tags for some journaling, or she can put photos. Here I did a signature cut in the page, and then this is a stamp that I have, and then this is another 7 Gypsies tag, and this is an old bingo card, a vintage bingo card that somebody gave me. This lady used to help me work on with the bingo club, so I thought a bingo card would be a great idea. And here we have another faux envelope, and it opens this way, and we have 3 inserts here. So we have this one, and then we have this one and this one. And then we have the 2 flaps here, but these are belly band flaps, so she could put a photo there, or she could put a photo here, but these are from the Noteworthy cutouts, die cuts. And I think this is our last page. We have another photo flap, and then we have more of the journaling cards. And one more here. So we have this one, and then on the back we have a portrait version. And we have one more photo mat here, and that's the back. One more faux envelope. And I love this paper with the dress forms, and then these are the tags. Oops, that's upside down. So we got one here, here, and we have one here. So that is the last of the pages, and this is just a protector because the flap here kind of catches on this belly band, so it's just going to protect the page. So it's just kind of a. And then I have another 6x6 here, and then the back I have another insert with 8 photos, room for 8 photos. So this is my mini album for my friend, my coworker, who is moving on to a different place and town, and I just wish her the best, and I hope she loves this, and I will give it to her tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.